Welcome back to my morning analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. On Tuesday, the 26th of March, let's have a look at dollar yen, which is beginning to pick up a little bit. The improvement in risk appetite has been coming through with the treasury yields picking up and subsequently yield differentials helping to drive a bit of a stronger dollar against the yen. And that is seen through dollar yen picking up back through 10.25, which is interesting today. Now, that is a key level. If you start to close back above that, that improves the outlook, I would say. But you really need to see, I think, a move through 11 figure, which has been a bit of a pivot over the last sort of few weeks, and move through 11 figure to really suggest the recovery is gaining traction. And yet, obviously, haven't yet seen that. So ultimately, we need to be careful as to whether this is just an unwind that gets sold back into again. I think treasury yields are going to be key to that, but obviously on the chart of dollar yen, breaking back above 10.25 actually completes a little bit of a small near-term base pattern. It actually implies about 50 pips of recovery, and that takes you back towards 10.75, which is sort of back into this overhead supply area of the old low back in early March, and then these old bit of trading back from few days ago. So a recovery back into that band could well be seen now, but that's still underneath 11 big figure, so be careful with that and the overhead supply that comes around that level. So there is a possibility of a very near-term recovery and a near-term bounce now back towards that 11.75 area, but is it going to be lasting? Well, the hourly momentum indicators are ticking higher, are improving above 60 on the RSI, above neutral on the MACD. So that's an encouraging sign. But can this recovery actually be sustained is the question. So the support at 109.70 is obviously now growing. And closing and maintaining a close back above 110 big figure again would be an improving factor. But there is far more that needs to be done for the market to suggest that this is an improving outlook on a sustainable basis. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.